Okay guys, here we go. After machine learning roadmap, we are here with a machine learning playlist. So, on internet you guys have seen millions and thousands of machine learning courses. Yes or not? If it's yes, most of them teach the easiest algorithms of machine learning in the hard way that it becomes the biggest problem of a learner to cross that path. Means what the problem is this, man? It's a learner. So this is the simple reason of this machine learning playlist. In this machine learning playlist, I'm going to teach you every algorithm of machine learning and its math in a simple way that a fifth grade child can easily understand it. Okay, are you guys taking it? I'm not promising to you guys that in a week you guys can be a machine learning expert, because machine learning also takes some time, but I can promise you guys that if you complete this playlist you guys will be able to make your own machine learning models. You guys can able to make predictions, you guys can able to do code by yourself. So what do you want else from me, guys? So let's start it. So guys, because this is the first video of our machine learning playlist, so I've kept the topics and the syllabus very light and basics. In today's video we are only going to get comfortable with the machine learning core. My goal is not to burden you on the day one, but however I want to be honest with you guys that as we far more in this playlist, the topics and the practical pressure will both increase. So guys, make your strong foundation in the start, so the next topics, so the big topics will feel you like a breeze. So guys, now we are on the screen, and as you guys can see that I have made this presentation for you as a note that this will help you guys to understand the concept more comfortably. So the first, there is a page which is the machine learning playlist page, beginner to advanced level. All these this is a page where we, then the next page, this is a question page. That in today's video we are going to cover these topics. The first question is the first to-do list question is that what is machine learning. We are going to know about that what is machine learning, why we use machine learning, and types of machine learning with explanation. Means I am also giving you the definition, why we use machine learning and what is machine learning. So this video is a full treasure for you guys, made it to the end. So now moving ahead towards the next page is what is machine learning. So the machine learning is a field of study that gives the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. The what does this mean? Definition means this means that machine learning is a field of study that gives this ability to our computers to being explicitly programmed to program for a specific things. Means if we want to make a spam detector using machine learning, so we have to train our model, we have to give the ability to our computers to train for the spam detection. This definition was presented by Arthur Samuel. This presentation and the both definition of machine learning was called and carried through the book named Hands-on Machine Learning through Scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow. Now let's see that what the second definition says, that it is both the science and the art of programming computers to improve through experience. Modern machines learn from data patterns instead of following rigid hand-coded rules. The second definition means that the machine learning is both science and art of programming of computers for computers to improve their experience. Machine learning models learn from patterns instead of following rigid hand-coded rules. So the next time whenever someone asks you that what is machine learning, simply answer is that the machine learning is a field that gives ability to the computer to be explicitly programmed for a certain thing, for a certain task. So moving towards the next slide is why use machine learning. The concept is clear that what is machine learning. Now the question raises here is that why we use machine learning. So the machine learning is used for many of the things. I have quoted also some of them, that it is used to solve complex problems. Mean when we run a machine learning models, the mathematical computations the model is doing is sometimes it make harder for a human to track, but it is trackable. Means human can track the mathematical or any order which machine learning models takes to give us the output. Means it is used to solve complex problem. Means the definition is solve tasks where handwritten rules are too long and complex. The second point is adaptability, means that system just automatically adjusts a new data arrives in changing environment. The second point is means that if I make a machine learning model with a data set of 1000 rows and 14 columns, if I add any of the sum of more data in it, so I can easily edit the data in that previous data set and also train it again. The second is pattern discovery, uncovers deep pattern and insight that humans might overlook. This point is the most valuable and the important points. Humans are errors, means humans can make mistakes. The mistakes which are made by the humans can be caught by these machine learning models. Machine learning models can easily caught all the mistakes caught by the humans. The fourth part is automation, means it replaces tuning of machine rule based system. So these are some of the uses of machine learning. As you guys can see that in this field, application of machine learning are also written here, that it is used for face recognition system, self-driving cars, traffic prediction, self-driving cars, as I said it, visual personal assistant, online fraud detection, and I have also made the six machine learning projects which are in my GitHub. I post the link of that GitHub in my link. You guys can check it out from here. Now, the third part is that types of machine learning. Machine learning is a main branch and it consists of three types. Number one is supervised learning, the second one is unsupervised, and the fourth one is reinforcement learning. Machine learning is broadly categorized in three core types. Each method serves a unique purpose in teaching computer how to learn. Means all these types of machine learning teaches the computer that how to learn data in a different way. Means supervised learning works different from the unsupervised, and unsupervised work different from the reinforcement learning. I will teach you guys. So now our topic is about that class about machine learning types. Means the machine learning is the main branch and it consists of three types, which is supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. These types are different or to each other on the basis of their working, on the basis of their type of training model and the output. Means if I try to teach you guys that in supervised learning, model gives some output, means a model is first given with a data set and then it is ordered to give the output. If the output answer and the accuracy is pretty good, then it is given with a new data set which is never seen by the model and it predicts the output. But in unsupervised learning, there is no prediction. In unsupervised learning, model is asked to divide the data into clusters. Means that we give the data to the model and it divides the data into clusters, but but didn't give any of the output. And in reinforcement learning, it is a combination of supervised and unsupervised learning. Means in reinforcement learning, if a model is also given with a data set and if it gets if do a good prediction, it will given with a rewards point, but if it makes a mistakes, it's give a penalty point deductor. Over time, the AI learns the best strategy, maximize the total reward. So yeah guys, for this video, this is from my side. I think that this is enough in our first video, because my goal is not to burden you guys on the day one. That's why I kept the syllabus a little bit basics and small, but I will teach you that what is coming in the next video. After watching this video, will be able to write code on your own system and starting ball or on machine learning models. In the next video, I will teach you some of the more complex and but in a more complex algorithm in a easy way. So guys, you don't need to be get any tension about it. But the today's topics about the videos is what is ML. So now if anyone asks to you guys that what is ML, you guys can confidently answer that machine learning is a program, is a type of programming the computer for a specific task. The second thing which is covered in this video is why we use machine learning, and the third thing which is covered in this video is types of machine learning with definition and algorithm. So now you guys can easily answer that what is the supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. So for this video, this is from my side. If you like this video, kindly hit a subscribe button. This will help my channel to grow. And as I always said you guys that try करके देख लो शायद हो जाए. चलो भाई वीडियो तो रिकॉर्ड